Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Viktor. So let's get started right away. If you don't find the option to delete your account within the Viktor application, then you can simply contact the customer support team. Just open up your email application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account first. Once you are logged in, go ahead and compose a new email, and now within the to section, type in help@betviktor.com. And now within the subject section, just type in delete my account. Then within the main body, you can simply explain that you don't wish to use your Viktor account anymore. And now finally you can send the email address by using the send button. Once you send this email, you will get a response from the Viktor support team within a few days, and you can follow the instructions within this email in order to close your account successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to close your account on Viktor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.